Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Sistia Utami. I want to discuss my research entitled The Use of Picture Stories to Improve Student Reading Interest in English at Grade 7 of SMP Negeri 3 Pelita. Research topic: Increasing student reading interest in learning English through picture story media. Research question: How does the use of picture stories affect the reading interest of class 7 students in learning English at SMP Negeri 3 Pelita? Reason for formulating the question: I chose this focus because reading is one of the important basic skills in learning English. However, many students have difficulty understanding long and interesting texts. Therefore, I want to explore whatever visual media such as picture stories can increase student motivation and interest in reading. This research question was formulated based on the principles of Airy et al. 2019 and Creswell 2004, who emphasized that good question must be specific, address relationship between variables, and be empirically testable. By formulating question in causal form, how is the influence? I am to measure change in reading interest before and after the treatment is given, namely the use of picture story. Research methods and reason for selection types of research methods. Quantitative method: simple experimental designs. One group pretest post-test design. Reason for selecting method: this research aimed to measure how much influence picture story media has on student reading interest. Therefore, quantitative methods were chosen because they are able to provide numerical data that can be analyzed statistically. According to Creswell 2004 and Get al. 2007, the experimental method is appropriate to us when researchers want to know the effect of an intervention on certain groups. I chose the one group versus post-test design because of these designs. Number one, suitable for use on a small scale, such as in one class. Number two, provide information about change that occur after treatment. Number three, simple and easy to implement without the need to divide students into control and experimental groups. Research instrument and reason for use. Instrument used. Number one, reading interest questionnaire. Format for file record. Scale 1, strongly disagree to 4, strongly agree. Example statement: I like reading story in English. The picture in the story helped me understand the content of the reading more easily. I am interested in reading more after reading picture story. Objective: measure student level of interest in reading before and after being treated using picture story. Number two, observation guide. Used to record student behavior and responses during reading activities. Observation focus includes student engagement while reading, enthusiasm, then discussing feature text, student interaction with teacher and friends regarding the content of the reading. Reason for use seek questionnaires allow efficient collection of data from many respondents. According to Ari et al. 2019, a questionnaire with a Likert scale helps measure student attitudes or interests quantitatively. Meanwhile, observation is used as a complement to capture data that cannot be obtained from questionnaires, such as student expression, active involvement, and nonverbal responses. This is in line with the principle of data triangulation from Niels et al. 2018, which states that the use of various types of data will increase the validity and credibility of research results. Reference search and types of reference keywords. Reference search strategy. Access scientific database such as Google Scholar, ERIC Education Research Information Center. ResearchGate using search keywords such as reading interest in EFL, feature stories in language teaching, teaching English with visual aids, motivating students to read. Types of reference source. Number 1, theory regarding student reading motivation and reading interest, especially in the contents of learning English as a foreign language (EFL). Number 2, the concept and benefits of visual media in language learning, especially picture stories. Number 3, relevant previous research regarding the effectiveness of picture story media or visual media in improving learning outcomes. Number 4, educational research methodology books, including quantitative approach and simple experiments, such as those written by Ari et al. 2019, Creswell 2004, and Gate et al. 2007. Step to avoid plagiarism. Number 1, paraphrase all information taken from source using your own sentence and language style. Number 2, if you take a sentence directly, use a direct quotes and include the source clearly. Number 3, follow AFA citation style both in the text and bibliography. Number 4, use similarity checking software such as Turnitin or Lexicon to ensure the authenticity of the writing. Number 5, compile and complete and consistent bibliography in accordance with academic standards. Example of direct quotes. Reading interest plays an important role in second language acquisition. Cole et al. 2007. Example of paraphrase. Gate et al. 2007 stated that interest in reading has an important role in the second language acquisition process because students tend to be more involved and understand the material if they have an interest in reading material